Happy Sunday. Thanks for coming back. We're going to talk about air compressors for a minute. This is a DeWalt. Pardon me. Just had a whole bunch of water. Carpenters, whoever's driving nail guns, whatever. I use it for air tools, pneumatic tools when I'm working on my vehicles, because I don't place a big demand on it. I think it delivers less than 2 cubic feet a minute. Let's come around here. We'll take a look at my ever reliable Hollingsworth Flightline air compressor on a hand truck. I know from the data plates that this one will deliver 5.2 cubic feet a minute. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. This is a World War II mechanics air compressor. I got it from a friend in Oregon. Thank you, Robin. And I need to restore it. It has a Model I Briggs & Stratton engine on it and a small air compressor that was used under the hood of larger trucks that have air over hydraulic, positive air, not vacuum. The frame itself is the air storage tank. On one side, we're supposed to have an air hose with a chuck, and then on the other side, another air hose with a pneumatic grease gun. So they would tell some private, go get a truck and some help and load the air compressors into the truck and go out into the marshalling yard and fill all the tires and grease all the lube joints. And that's what this was for. I don't know how many cubic feet a minute it builds. Enough for tires and for pneumatic grease guns. And you know how those work. Anyway, so I got a new addition yesterday. Actually, I bought it last Saturday. And I bought it because I'm tired of not having enough air to clean paint and crap. So I've been looking for an industrial size air compressor for a long time. This was for sale about an hour north of me in Everett. Thank you, Jay. It has I believe it's a 13 horsepower Honda engine. It's made by North Star, and everything is assembled, yes, in China. So it is what it is. Everybody, Ingersoll Rand, North Star, Quincy, all of the air compressor heads or units, they're not made here anymore. This is assembled in Michigan, but I'm sure all the parts are outsourced. It's an unbelievably nice piece of equipment. I just filled the tank with gasoline. The operator's manual is in here, which I think is awesome. It's like a piece of construction equipment. They always have an instruction manual that nobody reads. And this thing starts up so easily. The guy I bought it from broke the ripcord once. And that's as far as it pulls out. But I am so thrilled to have this. Let's start it up. So we're going to turn the fuel on. move the choke on, turn the key on, and give her a tug.
Going to take about a minute to 2 minutes for it to top off. The blow-off valve right there is set to 175 psi, but I'm going to bring it down to about 135. My biggest concerns is noise level for my neighbors, and right now we're probably 20 feet from it. The MC2A, it just doesn't build pressure anymore, so that's going to go up for sale very cheap. So let's see what happens when this air compressor gets to 175 psi. Almost there. $175 psi. We're 25 feet away. Yeah, maybe 20. Pretty quiet. That's what I was looking for. So she'll deliver 24.5 cubic feet a minute at its current setting, 175 psi, and that's what I need. You know, the sandblast cabinet that I have will let, I think, about 12 cubic feet a minute out, and I don't have enough air. Like the MC2A puts out 15, like 14.8, but it doesn't build air anymore. I don't know what's wrong with it. So, and I'm not a compressor mechanic, and it's gonna have to go. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys had a great Sunday. See ya.